somya umwanchi omurigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansubo mu Gusii genda ritwere ondigendrete ko bari twere rukigima nane no gendrete kwego kya asoko bwatia imirobero yonse getaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansubo mu Gusii kerorire ritkoria Jumapili kitariki gose titariki sana nebere cyumutinyo kane omwaka no wekirwe ibere na meronko ebere nene namanga gendrete okorekana imense ya Kenya anene kerorire ritkoria rero murayiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto abireka wikirana IMAYIA County ya Wasingishu asomo sangrekano bw'amasabo n'ababwatani korwase CHINSA mecho cyaragire CHINSA isana nebire cyabona basoncinga kingo kwarigania SMS AMAYIA eriyo kumanyobuna narayana kwariganire asenkera ere yobwenge nyarabuna sensemo ya Facebook n'abakugandira gatonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gatonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News naboigo ase website yaito naboko yasoma wetra www.ndizitv.net eriyo togendre gusanga sobwamo. Eritariane EVERLYNE OSERO oriokaine kiachibicha neriogi cha oikera centre bene nigakoro kwa Abigael Nyanchama ngo kwariganyo beko gusanga 90 komerio AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO nebira centre ere yowenge toko ya chaka centre ya bene awasumura iwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto ritkoria rero abireka goikirana asomo sangrekano bw'amasabo ase kanisa ya AIC fellowship yo toka IMAYIA mocho Eldoret IMAYIA County ya Wasingishu okwana chinga kiecho Ruto nigabereka okwanira omugiro bw'abanyagatari oyo gendrete asichinsemo IMAYIA ya Kenya na utabuna ense ya Kenya nigo ebwate obokongu bwechibesa na nigera segetiro na igo abanyagatari nigo babwerete koira chinga cyabene na kwanchirana ase ense ya Kenya rebono asabaganiriye koira na ase emeremo yaboni gaterebuna no nyabagendrete gusino nyense ya Kenya kigendrete wetera chinga kingongu anene cyo gwakana amadeni nigo begete mirobere mekiranu yokoine kyabuna amagani abonsi abere kawikirana anene okori kwa abanyagetari chi intani ngo nigabaganiriye babe abatoyereru weke serikali abireke wikirania amagani yabo korende kubaburya babe bakwirana emirimo yabo.
I know we have a situation in Kenya with our doctors and interns. I want to implore on them that it is important for us as a nation to agree that we must live within our means. We must live within our means, fellow countrymen and women. We cannot continue to spend the money we don't have. And I am telling our friends, the doctors, that we mind about them, we value the service they give to our nation, but we must live within our means. The resources we have are only sufficient to pay 70,000 shillings for intern doctors. It is not a salary, it is a stipend for only 1 year, and then they will be employed. And we want all our doctors, all our doctor interns to be taken in, and that is why we are going to spend the resources that we have to make sure all the 1,500 plus or minus doctors, all of them are absorbed at once, and we have the resources to make sure that they are absorbed at what we have offered as government, because as a nation we must live within our means. And we are going to have a bigger conversation as Kenyans, so that when the Bible says that a responsible father leaves an inheritance for their children, we as Kenyans, we should not leave debt to our children. We should leave an inheritance.
Omokonyi bomura iwense Rigathi Gachagua nigaterebuna ense ya serikali ense ya Kenya nigo yeruete asogosira emeroberio au ya magendro gati yabo obonchorede anene kubwatkana no bosombi guseugo chakwa bantu kurwase CHINSA chesko go cha sense ya Kenya nabo igo kurwa gwense ya Kenya gochase CHINSA chesko anena sabasae edio kwenyorera emirimo yaniganya kwanete chingaki abetega kumerana anaba Kenya bamenyete imeyense ya Rwanda sense mo ya Kigali imeyense yomogoro awo CHINSA chamogoro bari tukuregoro ase akeretembya agetembya mono cha sense ya Rwanda aseri bagari ya beirege kwa aba Kenya bamenyetaro asentreyemo yo kwegenderya gashawa nigarwe tokoboria go cyase aba Kenya barasense yo kwena kyabuna nkobeka bare umukena boigo obwa mateburubya ndagotumeka ali bagerio ase ogokonya ense ya Kenya guskabusyo askiriata irebuna mangana uchumi nigo agendrete koba asabe naigo aba Kenya bamenyetase CHINSA jeskombo bwenete koreta umuchango bo gokonya ense ya Kenya guskabusyo.
This strategy is part of the interventions to create safe migration pathways for our people. Our target is to have this skilled human capital secure job opportunities abroad, especially the youth who are creative, innovative, skilled, and ready to explore the world as they work. Indeed, as I walked in, I came through an exhibition displayed by our Kenyan people. And the level of creativity and innovation is on another level. Kenyans are great people. We know sometimes being away from home is challenging, but I know we Kenyans are resilient, and I want to implore you to come together to share experiences, offer guidance, and provide mutual assistance and support each other. That is why I really want to applaud the official organization of Kenyans in Rwanda for bringing our people together to network, to comfort each other, to watch each other's back, and always be there for each other. Because when you are away from home, you need Kenyans around you. So I want to encourage you to continue strengthening the association of Kenyans living here in Rwanda. And I want to really encourage you, ladies and gentlemen, to continue strengthening your organization. As a country, we have entered a phase of economic transformation where opportunities abound in every sector, and we encourage you to seize your chance and reap a rich yield. As the diaspora, your reputation as Kenyans in Rwanda is well, as hard work, innovation, and commitment to excellence have not only propelled your personal success, but have also made a positive impact in the companies and organizations you are in. In fact, the last time I was here, I paid a courtesy call on President Kagame, and he was full of praise for the Kenyans who are here because he said they are very well behaved, and they are law-abiding, and they are good people.
Namonogeri webungenene Moses Masika wetangula siribagaria yumuraiwense Dr. William Samoiruto ni gaikiranete ase umuyega abwogo kinwa korwa koba abafada godzi as gochaba bishop abere aboyego babete bakubekerwa amaboko umuyega okorekante ase kanisa ya St. Mary's Musonkari ime ye county ya Nairobi gokwana chinga kechi wetangula ni gatete na umuraiwense Dr. William Samoiruto nigo agokerete ogotere na which kanisa nene kanisa yege Catholic asokoleta omurembe naboigo obwa mateburubya egati yaba Kenya nigo arweto kuboria asokugania abaraibe kanisa ne naba Catholic akwena kiabuna babere bakubaso mustari omutwe asogoskia ense ya Kenya bosyo na otabuna abarai mbatiranete korongewa ekeroli mochali abereri korokana asekerenge kerene gyokoleta obwa maten omagendro naboigo omurembe imeyense ya Kenya.
Nimekuja hapa kuleta salamu za rais wetu kwa mabishop wetu wapya. Salamu na hongera isiyo na kipimo wala kifani, na kuwaambia hongera sana kwa kupanda ngazi ya ulinzi wa mioyo yetu katika kanisa letu la Katoliki na kufikia kiwango cha kuwa maaskofu. Rais anasema ya kwamba anaheshimu kanisa la Katoliki na makanisa yote nchini kwa kazi wanayoifanya kusaidiana na serikali kwa nyanja ya elimu, nyanja ya afya na nyanja zote ambazo zinasaidia kushika nchi yetu isimame, sio tu pamoja, lakini Wakenya wapendane, waheshimiane na tujenge nchi yetu kuboresha maisha ya wananchi. Pia Rais amesema kwa maaskofu wetu wapya, jukumu sasa mlilo nalo ni kushirikiana na maaskofu wenzenu ili kuhakikisha kwamba makanisa yetu inaendelea kuwa kipimo cha yale mambo mazuri yanayofanyika katika nchi yetu, na msiwe na uogofu wowote kusema yale ambayo mnaona haiendi sawa, kwa sababu nyinyi mkisema ni sauti ya Mungu, na Wakenya wako tayari kutoka uongozi wa juu mpaka chini kuheshimu ushauri wenu, na hata pale mnaotukosoa tunakubali na kurekebisha.
Hukwana chinga kiecho boigase chinga kekiranita se umuyobo yoyo kabero murai wense urumwiga Kenyatta nigabetega kogokera umukiachi kanisa chibete chikobekane ne aba bishop ase akoleta obotere rumense ya Kenya anene chinga kiecha makongu nigo abetega kubabore kwene kyabunanko babari maisone gatia barai abuo baichoirwe amangana yobungainereria na kwene kyabunanko bwatere nabare na kubara asenchera erendonge eryo kwidonge ya ense ya Kenya.
Dunia ambayo tunaishi yaendelea kuwa ngumu, na ikiwa ngumu, saa ingine watu hupotea, na wakipotea wanatafuta mchungaji, na mchungaji ni yule ambaye atasikiliza wale ambao wanaongoza, na badala ya kuwaeleza ni kushauriana pamoja na wao apate suluhu ya kuwasaidia katika shida zao. We have for too long sometimes taken leadership to mean your capacity to lord it over everybody else. But as the nuncio has reminded us today, the job of a shepherd is not to direct, but to guide and lead and bring everybody along with you. Tumesikia juu ya wasaliti. Nuncio ametuambia hapa mambo ya wasaliti, na ajichunge wasaliti wa kanisa. Mabishop mujichunge, shirikianeni pamoja na hawa. Bring them into your confidence, bring them into your trust. They, especially in difficult times, will help guide you through and bring your flock to greener pastures.
Nia ambaye Kalonzo Musyoka nigagenderete komochia serikali kubwatkana n'umugiro gw'abanyagatari uyogenderete ase chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya gukwana buri turegoro chinga kikiranita sumusangerekano bw'amasabo ase kanisa chinsemo cha Lang'ata imeye county ya Nairobi. Kalonzo nigo aganetie amasabo kogendera kubekwa kubwatkana n'umugiro yo bw'abanyagatari uyogenderete nigaruro kubole uchase serikali kwenekya bunanko rigereriere engane yona koyekirania herio gotoria abakenya bagenderete konyora obokongu bokonyora obwenya.
When doctors are on strike, we have reason as a nation to pray and emulate the example of Papa here. I'm just slightly older than George. And pray that this strike comes to a useful conclusion so that we don't continue to lose patience. I've seen the statement by Catholic bishops, like Bishop Martin Kivuva and the others, also calling for the same. If we don't take action now, it may not augur well, even for the future of the nation, because doctors are not ordinary citizens.
Egatia barai kurwa se kiama kia Orange Democratic Movement ODM nigo bairire irayo gutingia ekiamekyo anina chinga kyo muraiwe kiama Raila Amolo Odinga agochikogenda sokurwanira ekirogo kyobomo bwe CHINSA gose ekirogo kyobonya kirogo ase kyombe kyobomo bwe CHINSA okwana sensemo ya Nyatika imeye county ya Migori nigo mugavana bwe county ya Migori Ochilo Ayako amono mugavana bwe county ya Kisumu Professor Nyongo bateruna ODM ne kiama kero beretie boikeranu na nigo bagocha kwene kiabuna abaraya banke babere bagochorwa kurwa se kiamekyo ase obochori bore busyani go baya kwanta sensemeyo jinga kiboyigo bagenderete komochi abali bagokwana bose bali bagotabuna ekiamekyo nigo kerache guturubana jinga kyumurayo yo arabe gakogenda.
ODM as a party has a structure. We have two deputy leaders. We have a leader in parliament, Pio Wandai. These structures are not going to crumble overnight because Raila is in the Ababa.
Sisi kama watu wa ODM, kila wakati ni lazima tujipange. Tujipange the gains we made in the last general election of getting as many ODM governors as possible must always continue.
The Lake region and the mountain, when they join up, the entire country benefits. That's how we got independence. That's how we got the removal of 2A, and Nyang here. These are people who fought in the trenches to ensure that we get 2A removed.
Mwancho muliri inaruna kwariganira SMS ya AMAYIA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE kurinda ya munenda mange ntumira nechikoraga CHINSA ikomere ngumanya senchera ere yobenge mbya munasibali mwensi mugenderete gutorigereria kurwase CHINSA mochi mitandao mugenderete gutubwatia mbya mono asemro videos ya Ndizi TV gendera gutonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na boigo ase website ito na boko ya somo wetra www.ndizitv.net eri otogendere gusanga asobwamo eretriane EVERLYNE OSERO Abigael Nyanchama nerene kiachibichanerio gicha wikera century abene ritwara oborigere boro buya tomerane chikoraga CHINSA ikome.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.